In this video, we're going to replace this spoiler on the tailgate of this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to take these screws out right here. There's 4 of them. Use a T30 socket. Take those out. Now I'm going to open the tailgate. You can take a heat gun if you want to heat up in this area. There is double-sided tape under here, or if you just take a trim tool and just get underneath here. And just pry it up. It's going to take a little bit of effort. And just slide it off. It peels right off. Now you can use some trim adhesive or just a scraper and just scrape all the double-sided tape off. That's all cleaned up now. With the spoiler, there is double-sided tape, so I just want to fold this over just like that, just so a little bit of it shows on both sides. Then we can line this up in position. I don't want to secure it down yet, but get this lined up. Make sure the screw holes are all lined up. Now get all the screws in. And starting at the center, just snug these down. Now open it back up, and just push this down as you peel this, the backer for the double-sided tape, and you just want to push it down as you do this. And just go all the way to the end, push it down, and there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.